Hi, I'm David Lauterstein. I'm the co-director of the Lauterstein-Conway Massage School here in Austin. And beginning in 1982, I founded a form of therapy called deep massage, sometimes deep massage, the Lauterstein Method. And it's been an exciting process to generate that. And let me talk to you a little bit about what deep massage is, also clarify how it's different than deep tissue. And as I started to get into doing teaching, I started to look at muscles from the standpoint of not only what they did, but what roles did they play in our lives. I actually wrote a book called Putting the Soul Back in the Body that really, the title alone captures a lot of what we're talking about with respect to deep massage. So looking at muscles, at their role in our life, as well as looking at their role in creating movement and kinesiology was the start. And then I started to realize, particularly when I got some craniosacral work, I also got some Rolfing, that one could really introduce change through Rolfing through deep pressure, in cranial work through lighter pressure. And that was a big shift for me because they use very light pressure in cranial work, yet it affected me very deeply. So at that point I was teaching the deep massage, or the deep tissue segment at the Chicago School of Massage Therapy, and I thought, wait a minute. I'm about affecting a person deeply. It doesn't necessarily require deep pressure, as cranial work had demonstrated to me. So I said, I'm going to call what I'm teaching deep massage, not deep tissue, because a person is so much more than a collection of tissues. The person is an aliveness. The person has emotions. The person has intelligence and a body. So it's about affecting the whole person deeply and helping them change, optimizing their health. And so the model became quite different. For instance, with deep tissue, people use pressure in order to help the person relax through deep pressure. But in deep massage, what we're doing is recognizing that it's not outside. I don't have to work from outside in. I can get the person to relax from inside out. And it's a much more profound and deeper experience if they relax inside themselves. Otherwise, I'm just trying to overcome their resistance. But if they let go of their resistance, then you get real change that's more long-lasting and that's deeper. Thus, deep massage. Matter of fact, finally I came to see that if you can affect the person through the muscles, you're really using the muscles as a communication medium to talk to the brain, to talk to the nervous system, because that's what has to make the change. Talk to the emotions through the muscles. Just like when you talk to a cell phone, you don't think you're actually talking to the cell phone, you're communicating with somebody else through the cell phone. When you're dealing with muscles in an enlightened way, you're talking to the deeper part of the person using the muscles and the connective tissue as your communication medium. I'm happy that we've created this form of deep massage, and I look forward to you receiving it or to learning more about it.